Hi, and welcome back to the Culturally Aware Classroom. In today's video, I will discuss 3 simple steps to start transitioning your classroom into a culturally aware environment. Let's begin. Step 1, start simple. As a teacher, you have so much to do, so you can start introducing cultural awareness simply by inviting your students to share parts of their culture, or families to come in and share parts of their culture, or even artifacts to help students get a better idea of what different cultures are. The second thing you can do is spread out your cultural activities. You don't have to do them in a week or a month, but rather spread it out the whole year that you have with your students. And the last thing to start simply is integrate cultural awareness in all subjects. Cultural awareness doesn't need to be its own separate class, but rather you can integrate it within English language arts, math, science, reading, music, and art. Please review my previous videos for more information on how to do this. All right, the second step, follow a theme. It can be easier for elementary school students developmentally to choose one theme that they compare similarities and differences. For example, some themes can be weather, animals, clothing, books, plants. Make sure that you choose something that students can look at. For example, let's look at weather, animals, and on what they look like, similarities and differences on all parts of the world. What does weather look like in Africa, or Asia, or South America, or Europe? And get students to start thinking that yes, we may have differences, but we also have similarities. And the last step is to take a virtual field trip. Start by picking a place that your students can, like a starting point, whether that's your school, your state, or even your country. Use different visuals to help students learn about the different cultures. This can include movies, video clips, sound clips, pictures, and definitely maps, all types of maps, globes, to get your student really focused on the location as well. You can also invite students to be cultural ambassadors and to share places they've either visited and things they noticed that were similar or different, or places they've lived, or even where their family's cultures originate. By doing this, these are 3 simple steps to get you thinking about cultural awareness in the classroom and easily implementing it. That's all I have for today. Thanks for listening. And as a side note, I will not be doing videos for a while, but please keep posted for videos in the future. Bye!